conversation I had with President Putin was on the margins of the plenary session, and it was a candid and constructive conversation, which characterizes my relationship with him.
That OGP should organize a plenary discussion on the topic of defending civic space at our upcoming meeting in London at the end of October. We expect
a plenary meeting from myself. I convey to the President that I wholeheartedly welcome the decision by President Obama to visit Hiroshima, a place which suffered an atomic bomb